Have you ever had your Zoom meeting freeze while your cloud app loads like it's $19.99? SD-WAN can help with that. This is Quick Connect, where your network gets a GPS upgrade. SD-WAN stands for Software Defined Wide Area Network. It's like a smart traffic controller for your business internet, directing your data across multiple internet connections to improve speed, reliability, and performance. Whether you're working across multiple sites or relying on cloud apps all day, SD-WAN ensures your most important data takes the fastest, most secure path. That means fewer outages, smoother video calls, safer connections, and happier teams at a lower price than those lines you used to lease from the phone company. And since it's software defined, it's easy to manage and scale as you grow. So if your network feels like it's stuck in traffic, we'll show you how SD-WAN connects to a smoother performance real quick.